Boeing 787 jumbo jet, and I had to put this whole thing together. It came like the wings were two separate wings.
Broken plane. Someone put me in a broken plane.
Pieces had to be glued on, the propellers, the wheels, LEDs on the bottom, which I'll demonstrate. These jet pieces, these silver pieces, had to be glued on. They came separately, the front and the back of those. Then electronics are embedded inside of here. This is the battery. I thought I had two of them. I might have dropped one. It's probably in my apartment. Supposedly lasts about 10 minutes, which should be enough for this video. This is just the maiden flight. I've never flown this. I've never flown any remote control plane before in my life. Video game called Ultimate RC Plane thing or something. Apple Store. I think it's pretty realistic. It's got helicopters too, and boy, I'm about as good at flying a helicopter as I am at skateboarding. Probably managed to kill myself and others in the process. And when it stops flashing, according to the instructions, code is complete. Okay, as usual, the problem was solved by turning it off and turning it on again. The last thing I glued on just a few hours ago was this tail, 24 hours. It should wait 24 hours for it to totally dry. That's Dollar Tree, by the way. And the left stick only moves on one axis, up and down. Are you seeing that? The right stick there's like different modes. Got these little servo things. Seeing that? If I do that, can you see it? Can you see this? It's never owned an air hog or any kind of plane, but they say that this is how they work. There's two propellers. Instructions were a little hard to follow.
It's like those French have a different word for everything.
I forgot to show you. Turns on those. It's Christmas Eve, so as you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt. There's very little wind, but I think if there is any kind of breeze, it's coming from over there. Start out on a ground takeoff. The other way to do it is to kind of like chuck it like a paper airplane. The servos. Obviously, I know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna just take off from here. They say it's better to take off into the wind. And they say good luck. Oh, how fun is that? Shit. Crash. Crash. Oh, warranty. Luckily, no one was hurt because Denzel was flying the plane.
7, we're in an uncontrolled dive descending out of 21,000 feet. We got a jam stabilizer or something. We need a block of altitude to work the problem and are heading to the nearest airport.
Southjet 227, Hartsfield, Jackson Airport.
Dump the flash.
Okay, so what you didn't see in that video was that it actually got up off the ground and flew a little bit. And then like I started turning, I panicked immediately and it started turning the wrong way and heading for the river over there. We're next to the river. Well, let's give it another go, shall we? I'm on YouTube. Luckily, Denzel was flying the plane drunk, so only 4 people died.
Because someone put me in a broken plane.
Let's try it again. Pull back. Oh, how fun is that?
To decide. You will have to decide. You will have to decide. Stay in formation. Target's just ahead. Target should be clear if you're going low enough. You will have to decide. You will have to decide. You will have to decide.
What fun is that? Phone battery's already almost dead, as I predicted. They lied. But, well, here we are. I should probably note that I'm using a tripod. It would be impossible for me at my no skill level to fly the plane, film it at the same time. So, okay, here goes. Hold it tight, slower, turn. Oh, it really descends fast, dude. Whoa, I thought it was... Oh shit! But it's all right though, because Denzel was drunk flying the thing, inverted. Jesus fuck! We'll give it one more go, and I think we're good. I know there's a tree right in the way. We get God rays, and the tree's on the left. And I'll try to fly in that area, but obviously I have no control over this thing hardly at all. All I know is that I get it up in the air and I try to slow it down. It has really rapid ascension and descension, like it go up and down. It's really sensitive about going up and down. And every time it goes up and down, like really fast, I freak out. I want to go right. Oh no. Dude. See him in there? Hi, I'm Denzel. You gave me a broken plane. Oh my God. The part where the plane went up like this and then landed in a tree. It went up into the tree for 3 or 4 seconds and then it just dropped and went down. I caught it and it went back up and started flying around. It went. Cannot harm this thing though, because it's made of completely 100% styrofoam. Weighs about same as a couple of Oreo cookies with the cream filling licked out from the center and the inside.
Never had controlling, fear, power rolling. God bless your soul and keep living. Never allowed, kicking it loud, dropping a bomb, brain game, intellectual Vietnam. Move as a team, never move alone. Well, welcome to the Terror Dome.